Yeah, Run Road.
Up top.
Enough for the link them the daft in a dog.
Real talking a TJ.
I come. Entertainment.
Run road, me just a praise him and make it out. My son a depend on me, so me have to push out. And when me walk the street, me no step
Just
down.
to make the people know what really I go on. This is the first actual interview live and direct. And it is brought to you by Justin Blaze channel. The name Run Road, you know. Run Road Entertainment, I have a lot of things that fall under the entertainment. Where we have production, Run Road production, where you don't know what this is, the hits them create. Where we have Run Road sound, where we have the selectors and the DJs. And it would be surprising if I tell you that I'm also a DJ, I'm also a selector. So I produce the music and I can also promote them as well. So I just find playing music as a leisure activity to me. So yeah man, it's just for the world to know that Run Road is actually a selector also. And we have Run Road ladies. Any event, you can put the Run Road girls, and you know we offer battle service, promotion, video shoot and all of them things. You don't know a lot of work that go on from when you just you see me? And you don't know back in 2017 Run Road go Mac 11 with him, which create a storm in a dancehall as one of the youngest producers from the western side. And you don't know the western side that capitalized, you see me, and not just Jamaica but worldwide. You see me, and from there you know we get it going and we never stop. 2018 now we drop the Golden Pain with him, which consists of 4 artists: Governor, TJ, Virgin and Jaffrey. And to shake the place, you can't go around that. TJ Pray, it'll go hard, it'll play everywhere from Jamaica to Trinidad, from Trinidad to USA, from USA to London. It'll play everywhere, they select them and play with it. You get a crazy feedback from them. Big up yourself, World Boom. You run with the one, they play, they lock down Bossy Tuesday. Magnum when you say big up DJ Cardo and Rope Soon, run with it, you see me? We have a next to them right now, called the Second City Rhythm. We just try to show the people to the western side of talent. That's what the name say, Run Road will never stop running, you see me? On the Second City Rhythm, you know, we have the Shane featuring Medic, the child molesting song. And we have burn out some of them fathers that were such a little girl and them thing there. You don't know, over the years, you know, Kingston is the art of production, where if you want bus, you have to go to Kingston. But you don't know, we as the Montegonian, and we can see the western side of Jamaica, we see the craft and know what going on. So you know, we make it a work, you see me? Because you don't know Run Road work with all of the artists them right now from the western side. You can name it Riding, TJ, Shaney, Chylander, Ricky Pete, Squash and Capella. You have all of them will be artists, my bad artists, you see me? And it's just a matter of time, who not get the buses, go eventually get the buzz, you see me? So it's just a stage everybody have for them time, you see me? I have Prime Minister same way, you see me? So you don't know when you left out none of the artists, them, you see me? But right now, I want to look out for Daddy One. I have a youth named T-Bone, Raybad and Roxy. And to be honest with you, right now Run Road is one of the only young producers where advise the young artists them. Watch what go on. Forward mirror. Yeah man, you have some producers out here where them feel like say yo, them too big, you see me, but Run Road don't do that. Cause here the man, we was a youth in the streets, see you know, fix phone and them thing there on the roadside and cell phone and them thing then. You see me? Yeah man, the last 5 years I was a security guard same way. You know, we bleach night and day, they watch people place and thing. And right now things change up. Right now as a Squash, that's say we live in lavish. You see me? Yeah man, you see me? Run Road, we out there. Chylander is one of Run Road, bad engineer, bad artist as well. Kingston, Red Boom, Moby, Chylander is one of the baddest. You need to know that from Mac 11 days till now, we never sell out. Just till you know the thing, right? Really and truly, the youth them love music. I have some youth like me who love music and I get me tune. So I music, you know. Music can do a lot to youth them in the western side.
Cause from your link with me enemy, me and you can't friend in no dog. From you go link with me enemy, me and you can't friend in no dog. Oh. From me not trust them, they know me fi trust you. You go switch up the link, nigga, fuck you, dog. From your link with me enemy, me and your girlfriend in no dog.
Akram Entertainment show. Oh, yeah, Akram.
Run.
Right now, me a
Long
talk to
time
you
we
live
run
on an interview. Alright, here the man
Echo the
who
Cannon,
give you a
run.
reach to your foot. People might say me a talk, so, but me get paid for talk. As me tell you, me a selector, you see me, so. I just versatile, man, I will know for freestyle. Call back, me I do an interview. You link in a few. Don't know we have 3 weeks in a crowd up, and me know I wait for the work, so I like the place. No care where we go, if we fly out, if we go to town, and come back and still afford that this is still there. That's the first song of Vice, so we know that this is still there. Back in every game, so right now this is still there as a fourth. Chilando.
Home street. Home is where the heart is. Never forget where we come from. Don't clear. You see me smile, but you don't know my story. A story for those who don't know me. Other one, you chaotic. Roger on the road.